Hey guys, Tony here, welcome back to the channel, hope you're doing really well. Day one of the HIFI show is finally complete and I've finished filming everything for the day. So now that everyone's turned in, it's my turn to start editing the video so that you can see how the day unfolded. Make sure you subscribe to the channel so that you can catch the future videos. I'll be making another video tomorrow showing you all of the rooms that I didn't get to today. So again, make sure you subscribe, hit the like button, share it to your friends, and let's not waste any more time, let's get into the video.
are you, Scott?
I'm going very well.
Are you enjoying the show?
Absolutely. We're getting nice feedback, and I think everybody's pretty comfortable with what we're doing, and I'm enjoying it, and the other guys are too. One part is that obviously for everybody to enjoy it to come, but our guys as well.
Yeah.
And they love it. So.
Well, they did a fantastic job. The room sounds great.
Yeah, no, I'm very happy with it, especially at the end. You probably heard that when we put all it all together. Yeah, and it was quite a difficult acoustic environment. So, but, you know,
They pulled off, I was saying, I can say, the engine before,
yeah.
Amazing.
Yep, no, I'm very happy
Well
with
done.
that. Yeah, thank you. Thanks very much. Good on you.
Thanks, Scott.
See you around.
So guys, I hope you enjoyed that sneak peek behind the scenes of the Melbourne Hi-Fi Show by StereoNET. Check the links in the description if you'd like to find out more, and also buy some tickets online for the Saturday and also Sunday. Anyway guys, if you enjoyed the video, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so that you can catch the future videos. Anyway, I'm B, it's been a long day, so you'll catch me in the next video. Bye for now.